The courtroom fell silent. Everyone had gathered to witness what seemed like a routine trial, but tension hung in the air so thick it could almost be touched. On one side sat a decorated Navy SEAL, battle-worn yet composed, his eyes steady and calm. On the other stood a police officer with arrogance dripping from every movement, his pride swelling as if the courtroom were his personal stage. The SEAL's name was Ethan Cole. Years of service overseas had carved strength into his body and discipline into his soul. But beneath that hardened shell lay a man who had endured loss, seen sacrifice, and carried memories too heavy for most people to imagine. Ethan was in court not because he wanted to be, but because he had stood up for a young man wrongfully accused by the very officer now glaring at him. Officer Mark Reynolds was known for his temper. His badge gave him authority, but his ego gave him a dangerous edge. When the judge stepped out briefly, murmurs rose in the room, and in that charged moment, Reynolds did the unthinkable. He stepped close to Ethan, muttered words dripping with contempt, and then, without warning, kicked him hard in the leg, as if to humiliate him in front of everyone. The room gasped. A Navy SEAL, a man who had fought terrorists and rescued hostages, had just been assaulted in a court of law. Ethan didn't rise, he didn't fight back, he didn't even flinch. His calm eyes lifted to meet Reynolds, and for the first time, the officer felt something